Fitness is more than just exercise. It's a journey of self-improvement, strength, and resilience. It's a commitment to our physical and mental well-being, a path towards becoming the best version of ourselves. Whether it's lifting weights, hitting the pavement, or practicing yoga, fitness offers us a space to challenge our limits, celebrate our achievements, and embrace our potential. That's why, in today's video, we're diving into the world of workouts and fitness routine, exploring how they can become a seamless part of our daily life. First, we have the quick actions that will allow us to quickly create new entries such as weight loss. Then, we have the navigation that will allow us to quickly access the pages of the template. Next, we have the memberships page. Here is where we can add and view our memberships, both active and inactive, and different information such as the billing, the amount, the initial payment, the next payment, and how many days do we have left to renew our membership. Also, if we click on navigation, it'll take us to the main page of the template. Next, we have the exercises page. Here is where we can view all of our exercises. We can view our exercises divided into by muscle group and an overview of all our exercises. Next, we have the muscle group page. Here is where we can add and view our muscle groups and the exercises that we do for each muscle group. Next, we have the workout plan. Here is where we can view our weekly workout plan and the exercises for each workout session. Next, we have the weight goal page. Here is where we can log our weight entries made this week, this month, this year, and all our entries history. We can also view our progress and our weight goal. Next, we have the resources page. Here is where we can view all our resources necessary to do our workouts and those that we don't need anymore. Lastly, we have the database page. Here is where we can find the sources of this template, so be careful using this page. Back to the main page, we can see an overview of our workout routine. In order to create a new week, we just have to duplicate the existing one, drag the old one to the archive page, rename the week, and adjust the weights. We can also view our muscle groups, our workout plan, our membership, and our goals. And as you can see, the way this template is designed works perfectly in your phone. And that's the template. Remember, every drop of sweat is a step towards your goals. So keep pushing, keep grinding, and never give up. If you like this template, you can download it for free through the first link in the description. If you found the video useful, a like will be very appreciated. And if you like my content and wanna see more templates, don't forget to subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!